All right, guys. Trade recap for the day. During AM session, we did not take any trades. AM session, I expected chop, and that's exactly what we got. It was a no news Monday, and on top of that, right after on New York Open, we saw a dump. And usually after dumps, I just always expect chop, and I just hopped off the charts after that. So 4 p.m. session, we came in pretty bullish. Reason being, 15 minute CISD and 15-minute inverse fair value gap. Not only that, we had clear draws, that being all-time highs. And then for PM, we did have a 5-minute fair value gap being respected, this being the 5-minute fair value gap. And during our time of trade, that was for 2 o'clock, there was a 3-minute fair value gap that was being respected. That being this leg right here. So initially, I got my unicorn model, so this was a lower low, higher high, entered off of this fair value gap, created a doji candle, entered on the CE, and obviously we got stopped here. However, the narrative seems really clear to me, and I wanted to re-enter again. So what we had was an SMT now, still respecting the 3-minute, so I wanted to see displacement coming up. Inverted this fair value gap again. Respected this fair value gap on this last fair value gap, came back up, and I think I entered, yeah, my position was entered around here. Target at all-time highs, I'm not gonna lie. This was my break-even point, and my emotions were kind of everywhere during this trade. Not everywhere, but like I was a little nervous that it was gonna edge, because it did almost edge, creating equal highs, because it was a Monday and I was going to close it, but I put my stops at break even here, and then I just left it at that. If I was getting stopped, I was getting stopped. So I'm glad I was able to make 1.5 RR on the day, so not too bad. I am one winning day off from getting a payout, so not gonna force any trades, just making sure I stay consistent and all that. But yeah, I think that's everything for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow being, I think, another no news Tuesday, but I will be up looking for a trade. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.